Alrighty guys, got a 1999 Honda CR-V here. It's my daily driver, and I have recently installed a ram air intake off of a 1988 all the way to 2001 Acura Integra. They will fit with just minor modifications. And it has certainly improved the sound quality. That is the main reason I did it, to get some better induction noise when accelerating, and it has certainly did that. I wanted to make a quick video of how it looks and what you will slightly need to modify in order to get it to fit appropriately in the engine compartment. Let's go ahead and walk over and open up the hood here. Alright, so on this vehicle, here is the engine compartment. We have a B20 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, standard on all CR-Vs 1997-2001. Here is the intake, and it's set up here. I will go ahead and put the hood up and kind of go over it with you. As you can see, the clearances here are pretty close, but it fits well. What you need to do is the intake will come across just like this and fit perfectly, but it'll have a downward slope and it'll run into the firewall here, the fender well. What you want to do is you'll cut it off at the elbow, and your intake will be able to slip on. As you can see, normally that would be over and you'd have metal on both sides. But essentially, you just cut it at the elbow where it's about to go down, and nice clean cut. Make sure you shave off all the filings. You don't want that stuff going into your engine. Clean it real well, but it works really well. Nice deep tone, sounds good. My engine bay is pretty clean right now, so that's nice. But definitely worth the $20 I spent on Craigslist. About an hour of time and labor, and a $20 filter to make it all clean air going in there. If you have any questions, or you want any other videos or reviews or sound samples for the intake, let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe.